What's up guys, I'm back with an unboxing video and it's time to take a look at a new killer phone from Oppo that is so tightly packed in this package. I'm just gonna quickly tear my way through this thick skin. And here we have the brand new Oppo A9 2020. This is indeed a killer device from Oppo, especially if we talk about the price and the specs. For less than $300, you're getting quad camera setup along with a 5000 mAh battery size. It also has a stereo speaker system, so I'm really excited to see the whole deal with the Oppo A9 2020. First up, we have this mini box that contains your silicone case. As always, Oppo always brings the protection within the box. And here we have the phone itself, so I'm just gonna take off this wrapper real quick, and I have to say this phone is looking really premium. It does have a bit of weight, obviously, with that 5000 mAh battery. Other than the phone, we get the Type-C cable for charging and data transfer, some Oppo headphones, and a battery brick. The design-wise, the Oppo A9 doesn't actually bring anything new, whereas the back is made up of glass stick. It's also very thick, probably the thickest Oppo phone that I've used recently, and for good reasons, because it's coming with a 5000 mAh cell. And combined with the power-efficient Qualcomm Snapdragon 665 chip, which was just announced, and its 720p display, this phone is confirmed to be a 2-day of battery life contender. So if you're someone who doesn't care about the cutting-edge design or even the latest display, this actually is a great phone, especially for the battery life. Now, speaking of the display, this is definitely the least favorite part of the phone. So it's a 6.5-inch screen, 720p resolution, and it's coming with an IPS LCD panel, so it's definitely not going to be as good as the OLED, and of course it's not full HD. So all of that stuff regarding the display doesn't sound that exciting, but I have to say this is a decent panel. Like, most of the people won't be able to notice the difference. It's got decent brightness, I can see decent colors. Again, it's not AMOLED, but it's not like the end of the world, so you'll still be able to have a very decent experience while watching YouTube videos as well as playing games. And since it's a large display, you have a lot of room to play with as well. The Snapdragon 665 chip inside this phone is very decent. Along with 8 gigs of RAM, you get great multitasking experience. You should be able to play any game without any issue. And of course, moving around UI, opening applications is a really fast experience as well. Now, this is the Android 9.0 Pie based on the Color OS. It's very similar to what I saw with the Oppo Reno flagship phones. You're getting all that same software experience as that device. A lot of the things have been inspired by Apple, especially if you look at the quick setting toggle area, but I actually like this look of it. I mean, it's like Apple, but a little bit different. Other than that, you get all the Android goodness with it. Now, one of the most exciting features of this phone is the stereo speaker system, which is actually really good, really loud. So I'm just gonna play this music for you guys. I'm really satisfied with the speaker sound, and especially when you're playing games or watching videos like this, you get like really good surround sound experience because your hands are like this. Now, moving on to another exciting feature about this phone, which is its camera. It's rocking 4 cameras on the back. So we have the main 48 megapixel camera coming at f1.8 aperture, along with 8 megapixel ultra wide angle lens, a depth sensor, as well as a zoom camera. The overall photos are sharp. The AI is working really good. It also allows you to shoot 4K videos. The only downside is that you cannot do ultra wide angle videos with this phone. But other than that, the ultra wide angle pictures are great. You can even zoom in the ultra wide angle mode 2 times without loss of quality, and that gives you a bit of a different perspective of the image. Other than that, it has night mode that supports all the mode. You can use night mode with zoom, with standard lens, or with ultra wide angle lens. Pretty good. All in all, the Oppo A9 2020 is a great phone. If you are someone who doesn't care about the specs and want the best phone with a ridiculous battery life and a really feature-packed camera, then I think this phone is a pretty good deal. But let me know your thoughts in the comment section below, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.